Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from interactive brokers in the USA, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from interactive brokers in the USA, start by logging into your account on the interactive brokers website. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account section located in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Withdraw Funds. You will be directed to a page that outlines available withdrawal methods. Choose your preferred method for withdrawal, such as bank wire transfer or check. If you select bank wire, ensure your bank account information is up to date. To update your bank information, click on the transfer section and enter the required details. For a check withdrawal, confirm the address on file to ensure the check is sent to the correct location. After selecting your method, input the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the transaction details displayed on the screen for accuracy. If everything looks correct, proceed by clicking the Submit button. You may receive a confirmation notification about the withdrawal request. Keep an eye on your email for any communication from interactive brokers regarding your withdrawal. Withdrawals typically take 1 to 3 business days to process, depending on the method chosen. Monitor your account to see when the funds are debited, as this will indicate the withdrawal is being processed. If you encounter any issues, contact Interactive Brokers customer service for assistance. That's the complete process for withdrawing funds from interactive brokers in the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.